Okay, so now we're going to test this light that has a Joule thief in it. So let's put off the lights, and there was light, and that is because there's a Joule thief in here, and I'm going to show you how to make one. So let's go for it. Okay, so before we start any more experiments with a Joule thief, I just want to build one with you guys real quick. I have gone over how to build one in a previous video in more detail, so you can go check that out. But let's build one of these and do some other experiments. So let's get started. Step 1 is to cut the wire in half. Then scrape both ends of only one wire. Then thread both cables around the toroid. Alright, so now that we've done with wrapping, we are going to pair a marked cable with an unmarked cable on the other end. So let's do that. And then we have these two together, and then those two will go together. And then just remember to scrape off your enamel when you're joining the two wires on this side. So let's do that. Okay, so now we can go on to the next steps. Just make sure that your transistor's flat face is facing you like that. And then that will be joined onto a resistor in the middle. And then the resistor will be joined onto that wire. And then that side will be joined onto that side like that. So it will look like this over here. Okay, so let's do some experiments with this. Okay, so this is the one that you've just made, and this is a 1.5 volt battery that is a 3 volt LED, and there we go. Okay, let's go on to the next step. Alright, so we got this Joule thief hooked up to this capacitor, and we are going to charge it using this 1.5 volt battery. And we got it hooked up to my meter, so let's see what voltage we can get. And straight away, 17, 18, 20 volts. Wow, that's incredible. I can charge it all the way to 30 volts. You could probably go more, but let's just stop at about 30, maybe a little bit more than 30. Okay, and then let's see what sparks we got. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, let's go on to the next stage. Alright, so this is actually one of my favorites. This is a mini inverter, if you may call it. So it works exactly like a Joule thief. So on this side, which is over here on the transformer, is pulsating electrical charge, which pulsates and gives this side voltage as well. So if we can see, we have got now just 6 volts here, and we can turn this 220 volt light bulb, this is 2 watts LED, and there we go. That is just incredible. I really enjoy that. So basically what I've done is, you can see that this transformer had 4 cables at the back here, and I've done exactly what I've done with the Joule thief. As you can see that I have matched them up exactly like the Joule thief. So if you want to make yourself a mini inverter, then you can do exactly how the Joule thief is made with this transformer. So that is just so cool. And this is just a little preview of what's to come. For all you hydrogen enthusiasts, there's a long time waiting, and as soon as I get this up and running, I'm going to post it. So watch this space, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.